Hey, come here, man. Yeah. Nah, you bullshit. Say, niggas been hustling, man. You understand? Niggas been say, we been catching the bus too long and not on. You know what I mean?
You got a new car?
Yeah, man, look at my shit. Hey.
So you mean to tell me this what the fuck you don't spend 5,000 on?
Yeah, man.
Hell no.
Baby.
No,
Say
fuck
it.
that.
The roof is out.
Man, this shit
Oh my God.
fucking radio.
Man.
Man, hell no. You got me fucked up.
Suicide
Man,
dog.
you got some red bottles.
Suicide dog, get in.
Man, I'm not getting in this shit.
Get in.
And you not, man, get the
Yeah,
fuck
man.
out this car. Hell
Sunroof,
no.
yeah. Hey.
Drive me around in this shit.
Hey, you
Look
can
at
catch the
seats.
You
That's
can-
what I'm catch the
You
bus.
can catch, yo,
Nigga,
man,
you
I'm
just
swinging
went
this
and
bitch.
spent
That
5,000.
thing need money in this bitch.
500 more.
Hey.
You ain't gotta come in.
Hey.
Look at the
Hey.
roof.
Yeah, look at this
Man,
bitch.
hell no.
Hey.
I wear Brazilian. This shit
You
don't
ain't never
get in my
satisfied.
hair.
You ain't never satisfied, fool. You ain't never satisfied, man. You
Hell
understand? Yeah, catch this motherfucker.
You finna get out.
Yeah. Take a picture of this motherfucker.
No.
Yeah, see, bro? Yeah, man. Hey. Hey, man. Yeah. She ain't never satisfied, though. She ain't never satisfied.
I cannot be caught his hands.
Yes, sir.
The
No.
roof gone, literally.
No, he's talking about car ain't got no roof.
Hey.
Literally, the roof is gone,
Yeah.
man.
Hey.
I can't even turn this
Hey.
shit on when I get
Hey,
mad.
man.
It's already
This me, man. Roy Lee, man. Enjoy life, man.